guys, how's it going and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out, we're going to be going at least to Manchester Airport, doing some plane recording. Wanted to take you guys with me. The weather looks amazing, looking forward to catching some movements for the airport, hopefully it'll be a good day. So let's get our equipment sorted out and let's get going guys. Well, it's time for some breakfast before we get to recording the planes. Gone for just a bacon roll with some brown sauce from a nearby Waterfields. Really good food. So I'm going to eat this, and then we're going to get a move on and see what kind of planes we're going to record at the airport. Because I don't look in advance, I don't look at what's coming in. I like to just go there, record, and just see how it goes. So anyway, let's eat this and let's get a move on, guys. Well, this is not what you ever want to see. Hello, traffic jam. Not sure what's caused this one, like, but, well, I don't know if there is something. It's 5 to 11. I don't think that'll be rush hour, no. So either there's some sort of road work going on, or someone's had a crash or something like that. So yeah, typical. It was only about 5 to 10 minutes away from my destination as well. So yeah, this load us up a little bit, but I am hoping to at least make the Emirates flight. I really want to catch that on camera. So here we are, we have arrived at the south side viewing area for Manchester Airport. I'm just collecting my stuff. As you can see, I've got your rucksack on. I've got my my tripod there, all the stuff ready to go. So let's leave the car behind, let's get up there, let's get set up and see what we can record, guys. Right, here we go, we are at our good spot. Cameras all set up, all ready to go. For those who are wondering what my camera is, it's there on screen. And the tripod, I think you guys can just see that, that's my tripod. So that's my setup when it comes to recording the planes. Nice seat sorted out. And then obviously our bags with enough drinks in to take us over for a while. So yeah, quite happy with our spot, and it's time to start recording these planes and seeing what we catch. I can see Lufthansa City. I'm not sure what type of plane that is, but it's taxiing over, so I'm going to record that taking off and then see how the rest of the day goes. So let's get cracking, guys. we are now done at Manchester Airport. We recorded a lot. I mean, I think there's enough footage there for possibly 3 videos, so I'm quite happy with that. Plus we had some sort of mayday with Virgin Atlantic. I don't know fully what happened, but it come in, one of the engines, like, it was smoking a bit, and a fire engine was there to meet it. Anyway, it sat there for 5 minutes, and then it started moving again on its own, but then there was no sign of any shape or form of fire. So I don't have a clue what's gone on there. But yeah, it was definitely of interest. Now we're heading back to the car, putting the stuff in the car. Next stop for a couple of hours, Liverpool Airport. So my hope with Liverpool Airport is to get some of the EasyJet A319s, which are currently being withdrawn over the next 3 years, I think it is. A couple have already gone, so yeah, I think 3, maybe more, have gone recently, and they're all due off by the end of 2029. I think it's September actually, 2029. Also, I've never been at Liverpool Airport late on, and you do normally get some Wizz Air through there of an evening, so I'd like to record a Wizz Air because I've never recorded one before. I got close once. I got to Liverpool Airport early one morning, couldn't record though because of the fog, so yeah, I watched one depart without being able to record it. So this will be the first time I get one on camera if everything goes how it should. Anyway, just walking back to the car, and we'll get all this stuff packed away, guys. Well, we have just arrived at Liverpool Airport, the best spot to record the planes landing and departing. Unless they're going to change the location, or where they're coming in, we can only get them taken off. But there is a Wizz Air due in the time I'm supposed to be here, so I'm hoping that's going to really help. So yeah, just going to get my tripod out and I'm going to go get set up. Let's get moving. And there we are finished recording here, and what a good recording session that was. We got the Aer Lingus in, which there's been a lot of talk about them, and the Wizz Air. I was really made up with that because I've never recorded a Wizz Air before, because they come here kind of like unsociable times. Anyway, time to pack the tripod out, let's get out of here. And it is starting to get cold because the sun's almost down, guys. And there we go, we are back home after a really good day out. So much recorded at these airports. I've never done this so much recording ever. This is the most recording I've ever done in one day. Recording at the airports, this vlog, I've never done so much. Anyway, when I was at Mackey's, I had a Big Mac. I ended up having some of my mates' chicken selects as he got full. Good food. Do you know, those selects was nicer than I was expecting. And yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. You can tell I'm starting to struggle. It's getting late. I've been awake for hours. So there's going to be a few videos from the footage that I've recorded coming on this channel over the coming days. Keep your eyes open for them. Hopefully you enjoy it. And if you do, hit that like button. Also leave a comment on what you thought of the videos and this vlog as well. It all helps me out a massive amount. But yeah, big thank you for the support. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon for some more content. Nice one, guys.